Now we are discussing about the voltage multiplier. This is the circuit diagram of the voltage multiplier. When we are taking the output from here, then it is the tripler circuit. Tripler circuit means if input is 1 volt, output is nearly 3 times. When we are connecting these two terminals, this circuit works as a quadrupole output. That means the quadrupole output means if the input voltage is 1, then the output is 4 times the input voltage. How this circuit works? So for this, first of all, this is the our AC input which is given through the switchboard, right? Connect here one terminal here, or we can say terminal is connected here, and this terminal it is connect here, here for different value of input voltage and measure the output voltage. The output voltage it is coming from this. This is your common. This is for voltage measurement. This is your positive. This is your negative, right? For different value of input voltage. So there is a need of measurement of the input. So the second voltmeter, this is your voltmeter, that means connect here. This is your common terminal. These two terminal connected here. This is your input side. So when we change the input voltage from 1 point, 3 point, 4 point, we measure what is the value of input here, and we see what is the output. The output is nearly 3 times with respect to input. In this way we discuss about the tripler circuit. Now when we want to see the quadrupole circuit, then these two terminal it is open it here and connect from the this quadrupole output, that means here and here. Then this circuit works as a quadrupole. In this tripler circuit, 1, 2 and 3 diodes are in working condition. In this quadrupole circuit, 1, 2, 3 and 4 diodes are in working condition. The procedure is same. Again we just change the input 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, 4 volt, whatever the input, that is measured with the help of this meter, right? This one first reading, second reading, third reading, and measure the output for different value of input. Here the output is nearly 4 times the input voltage. In this way we discuss about the tripler circuit and quadrupole circuit. Thank you.